Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel English Literature. Now it is a fact time and I am here with 10 facts from history of English literature. Fact number 1. The alternative title of Old English poetry Wordsworth is Great Traveller. An example of Anglo-Saxon poem with strophic form is Deor's Lament. Dream of the Rood is also known as the narration of the cross. Number 4. From 1892 to 1897, George Bernard Shaw wrote 7 plays, and these were published under the name Plays Pleasant and Unpleasant. Among these plays, 4 plays are pleasant while the other 3 plays are unpleasant. The Mysteries of Udolpho, 1794, is written by Anne Radcliffe. It belongs to Gothic genre. Number 6. William Beckford, an English novelist, writes Vardek and the Monk. The original title of Vardek is Vardek, an Arabian Tale, or the History of Caliph Vardek. Davies is a Georgian poet, while Yeats is a symbolist poet, and Ezra Pound is an imagist poet. Hardy is known for his poetry collection. They are Wessex poems, poems on the past and present, and moments of vision. Wessex poems, poems on the past and present, and moments of vision. Robert Seymour Bridge wrote The Testament of Beauty. It is a long philosophical poem. And the last one, Gerald Manley Hopkins invented sprung rhyme, an irregular system of prosody. Okay, with this today we just finished our fact time, and thank you. If you like my channel, then share and subscribe. And today's word, don't speak. Don't speak. Just prove who you are. Bye.